Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the tile tool. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of tile tool in case of Alteryx. So for this purpose, we have to input the data first. We'll go to this in out tab and drag this input data tool to this new workflow. So majorly you can use this tile tool in order to group the data. So you can represent the data in terms of group. So if there will be group number 1, if there will be 10,000 records, and if we have to group it into 5, so 2000 records can be grouped into 5 parts. So the group number 1 will be given as 1 tile name. Likewise we can do it. So we'll see how to do it. I have clicked on the configuration pane over here. We have to connect it with the file or database. So I'll click on the file name as sales 2017 copy. So the path is basically selected over here. Now it will ask us to select the sheet from this particular Excel file. So I'll select 10,000 records. Click on OK. The preview is available over here and the records will be available in the results workflow when I will click on run. So I'll click on the run button. Over here we can see that the 10,000 records are displayed in the result workflow. Now we will go to the preparation tab. So the tile tool is available over here. I'll go to this particular workflow and connect it with the input data tool. So we have to drag the tile tool and connect it with the input data tool. Now there will be some options which will be displayed over here in the configuration window or configuration page. So how we have to group? We have to select it. So over here in the configuration pane or window, you can see this particular tile method which we want to select. So I'll select this as equal records, and the number of tiles should be 5. So 10,000 divided by 5, so it will be giving you 2,000. So 2,000 data is available in group 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. So simply we have to click on run button so that the result workflow will be available in this downward path. So over here in the result workflow we can see the tile number. So this is nothing but the group number actually, and the tile sequence number is shown. So in group 1, so there will be 2000 records. So accordingly we can group this. So when I will be scrolling it down, so you can see so 2000 records. So it is ending over here. So record 2000. So 2000 records. So after this you can see that there will be tile number 2. So in tile number 2 there will be again 2000 records. So we have divided the 10,000 records. Number of tiles we have selected 5. So equal records. So 10,000 records is being distributed equally, and we have selected the tile should be 5. So each tile will be consisting of 2000 records. So likewise I'll scroll it down for each and every tile. 2000 records are there. So I hope you have understood this particular video about how to use the tile tool in case of Alteryx. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.